Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the accounts receivable processes, the various processes in the accounts receivable process. So first step, we will create a new customer and process with the other steps. So in the customer tab, just enter into the customer center. Okay, here we are going to process all these things: estimates, sales order, invoices, sales receipts, statement charges, receive payments, credit memo. So before starting the process, I will create a new customer. So click here, click on new customer. Let me create a new customer. Let it be the name customer 1. Okay, I can give the address info, all these details here. Just click on OK. The new customer will be created. Okay, let me create the estimate. So if inquiry happens, the first document we have to create is the estimate. So the estimate has to be given to the customer. So I will create a new estimate now. So I'm going to provide this estimate to this customer. Okay, let me select the template as customer estimate. I can give the item. Let me give the computer. Okay, I can maintain the rate as 100. Okay, just click on save, and this is the first estimate. You can see the number defaultly assigned to it. Okay, just click on save and close. The estimate has been posted. So with reference to this estimate, the customer places an order. So I have to raise the sales order to the customer. So I will just go to the sales order. So in the sales order, I have to refer my estimate. So it has the sales order number 1. I just want to link the estimate here. So we are going to create the sales order, but before going to the sales order, let me go with the report. Click on customer. Okay, go to the income tracker. So the estimate appears here. We have posted one estimate. Okay, so I'm going to convert this estimate to the sales order. So just tick here, click on action. So convert to sales order. I can convert from here. Okay, the details have been picked defaultly. Just click on save and close. So the estimate is converted to sales order. Okay, you can find that the status is open. Okay, just leave this payment. This is the entry I have posted before. Okay, the next I will convert this sales order. Okay, I will just enter into the customer center. Okay, new transaction. I will convert the sales order into an invoice. Just click on invoice. Okay, this is the second invoice. Okay, create invoice from sales order. Just click on here, create invoice from our sales order. Click on OK. This is available sales order. Just tick here and click on OK. Okay, create invoice for all. Okay, click on OK. Okay, just save and close. The invoice has been raised. Similarly, I have posted the invoice. Now comes the statement charges. Okay. So if I click on show open balances, then click on single line, so it appears like this. I can edit this transaction itself. So here click on a record. So the next is we will receive the payment. Click on receive payments. Okay, just click here. I want to receive this payment. So the payment I have ticked here. Now click on save and close. So the payment is also made. Okay, let me show with the report. So click on income tracker. So you can see that the sales order has been cleared and the payment is only displayed in the report, and still the estimate will be displayed, but it is not an issue. Let me change the action. Mark as inactive. Okay, so these processes are collectively called as accounts receivable processes, and we can have this from our customer center. So this is the process. Thank you guys for watching this video.